Hey guys, what's going on? New day, just went to Home Depot, got a bench grinder, and we found the Rasp Rocket. So this thing's pretty cool, super raspy. Anyway, we're gonna go back to the office. Bye, Rasp Rocket.
Hi, Rasp Rocket.
Oh, hey there. So, got this bench grinder. Don't have anywhere to mount it because I have plastic tables everywhere. As you can, well, there's one wooden one, just ignore that one, but.
Ignore it.
So, I have this shell, this shitty hood, kind of shitty, and I'm gonna mount the grinder to it while I buff my intercooler piping. Here we go, guys.
Right on.
Got our holes all marked, and we're.
Oh,
Shit. There we go.
We hit. That's probably SR valve
Look
covered.
at that. Damn.
What the fuck is this here?
Alright guys, we got the bolts in, looking hella good.
Almost gonna. We'll throw one
shit.
more. 3 out of the 4 is good enough.
I'm getting these little buffing pads on, and then we're gonna start ripping.
Right on.
Yep. Alright, got the wheels on there, and 2 bolts in. Jack's gonna go ahead and tuck the harness for us, or the cord.
We don't want to throw it on the wheel or anything.
Yeah, we're gonna get that plugged in, and we'll get started.
Got a little issue here.
Shit.
Oh, that'll work, I guess. Right on.
That's how you make a plug work, guys.
We're good now.
Here we go, you ready?
Let's see if it works. Oh, shit.
Oh my god!
Damn.
Unbelievable.
Look at that tuck.
No vibration, but it's holding sturdy. So I'm gonna put a little polishing shit on the wheel, and we're gonna start on the intercooler piping. Here you guys go. Here's a little before. So fucking horrible right now.
Yeah.
Horrible.
It's AIDS.
So
Those are
yeah.
sweet clamps.
Yeah, not bad. That's some weird shit. I'm gonna my finger right here.
Oh,
Shit. Ow! That's hot. Oh fuck, the fucking other wheel shot off. Alright, we're all back on. Should be good to go here. Yeah, that's why you wear safety glasses, kids.
ew, dude.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
It's like a fucking bird shat on your head.
You should, I got that on video, you should see it happen.
What?
That.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just fucking. Hour later, messy me, messy car. It's almost done. I'm getting ready to polish her. You guys can tell it's, you know, decent. It's got a lot of scratches, but at least they're not dull scratches. Now they're shiny scratches.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm not doing all the pipes today because that took like an hour, made a fucking mess, and fuck that.
Fuck that.
Alright guys, so thanks for watching. You can tell the piping turned out hella good compared to this other shit. So I'm not gonna finish the rest of it today. I'm gonna have Brandon come do that because this took me way too long. So Brandon doesn't know that yet. But anyway, if you guys want Rasp Rocket t-shirts, let me know. Thanks for watching. Ka-chow.